I'd like to call upon one of the industry stalwarts, somebody's name which is synonymous to Goan industry. I'd like to call upon Srinivas Dempo up on stage, please. Give him a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, a big round of applause, everyone. Baba, you are a very eloquent speaker, as I've discovered when we've been at some functions together, and you've also been a big supporter of this magazine. Right from the start. You own a media company yourself, and yet you've been such a big supporter of it. You were on the second cover of Business Goa. I'd like you to say a few words about Business Goa, if that's okay with you.
With pleasure, Swapnil. First of all, I'm told this is the 12th year.
Yes.
So my heartfelt thanks to and congratulations both to Urvija. I say Urvija first because
yes.
she's the publisher of the magazine.
Absolutely.
And of course to my friend Harsh for coming up with such a wonderful product.
Yes.
You know, media is a tough business.
Yeah.
And really, I think if my memory serves me right, and Harsh will correct me if I'm wrong, I was a part of the first launch, if I'm not mistaken, and it happened in Crown.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and I told Harsh, I said, you're getting into a very, very challenging business.
Yeah.
You know, so many changes.
Yeah.
So many new things happening. And you know, print media is even more challenging now. But Harsh and Urvija have not only survived, they've thrived and they've blossomed.
Yeah.
And you know, one thing that I must tell, that the only reason they've thrived and blossomed is not because of advertisers like us. It's because they have a unique content.
Yeah.
You know, today a media company can only survive because everything else can be copied. Social media has got such an advance, such an advantage in terms of advanced news that they can produce. You can only come with a magazine once a month. But a social media site. But I saw Harsh systematically working towards getting into the social media platform. I received my Business Today or Business Goa edition online the day it's released. So I must congratulate Harsh and Urvija for having the vision to do this. Because I really, really, to be very honest, I can say this with a lot of conviction now. When he started, I thought Harsh won't survive for more than 2 years. Because he didn't have deep pockets like, I'll tell you, Navin Times lost money for 25 years.
I know.
Before it made money.
Yeah.
But fortunately, you know, my grandfather started for a different purpose, never to make money. Now that it's profitable is a different story. So I really had my doubts whether Harsh would survive. But hats off to him. And it was only because he did something unique. He served the business community in Goa. And look at all the startups. It's so amazing. Here there are luminaries of business. There are startup guys, you know, who started from nowhere. And where do they project themselves? You know, whether at any official forums, business gets more criticized than appreciated.
Absolutely.
You know, these are the crony capitalists. They get advantage from the government. They take all the money away. Nobody appreciates, and that's what Harsh is doing so beautifully. And from every nook and corner, in every space, in every area, you know, he's highlighting, and I saw some of the new startups. I mean, hats off to them. Goa is not a friendly place. It's a very challenging environment. The market is small. You know, the end product which you put across the country, you know, is not easy to survive because there are big pockets everywhere.
Absolutely.
You can't compete with them, and you know because you run a training company yourself. So once again, a job well done, both Harsh and Urvija.
Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Now I'm confident they'll easily cross 50 years. So
Correct. So what's...
My best wishes.
Yes, Baba, last question to you. What's your advice to them in a post-COVID? What do they do over the next 12 years? What would you like to see Business Goa do?
I think just keep on innovating, you know. Keep on highlighting. As I said, content creation is the most important. And whether it's the big companies of the world, if you can create your own content and highlight a niche area, Harsh will always have an advantage. So I think he's started doing it, but just keep on doing it.
Keep on doing it.
And they'll thrive.
Okay, thank you very much. Give him a big round of applause. Baba, we want you on stage we have another stalwart coming up, so we better have you on stage to give that award. And Urvija is finally made it to the audience. Give her a big round of applause. Where is she? She's there. She's often the voice of reason behind a temperamental Harsh. Harsh is the creative person, but she's the voice of reason, often driving sense into him, both personally and professionally. Right? So yes, the next award, the first in our personal honor category, is the Influencer of the Year. And I think it could be only one man this year who's the Influencer of the Year. He dons many hats and is the scion of a well-known mining family. He has been running several hospitality and entertainment ventures for over 2 decades. But what is making people talk is his talk show on RDX that has made him a household name and has sent his popularity soaring in recent times. Put your hands together for the gentle giant, the man with a big heart as well, Nandan Kudsardkar. Can we have you on stage, please, to receive the HDFC Bank Business Goa Award for Influencer of the Year.
This is a really special moment for me because I have known Nandan for more than 2 decades now.
Yes.
And you said the right words.
Yeah.
He has the biggest heart in Goa.
Absolutely. He's
You
got
know,
the
and I think his heart and soul is all for Goans and Goinkars.
Absolutely.
So, you know, whenever he talks to me,
Yeah.
the only thing he talks about is how do we make Goa a better place to live
Absolutely.
for the Goans.
Absolutely.
So
Give
congratulations,
both of them a
Nandan.
big round of applause. Okay, Nandan, now the thing is, I am so scared to interview you because you seem to have become a pro at interviewing others. Okay? So tell me, what's the secret of course, you're an industrialist, so you're not doing this for the money, of course. But what was your motivation behind this little talk show that you're doing that's taking Goa by storm? Before this, we were discussing the numbers that it's doing, and it's doing fantastic numbers, so many views. So what was your motivation behind doing interviewing? Going. Okay. Now tell us a little more. What was, I know that like Baba just said, right? Your heart always beats for Goa and all things Goan, but there has to be a little bit of motivation beyond that. You want to do something beyond through this show. So anything that comes to your mind?
It's nice to ask the questions. It's very difficult to be on the other side of it.
It's very difficult to be on the other.
But on the same, कितें जालां आज गोंय काबार जालां.
Okay.
So somebody and everybody has to stand up. And if we don't stand up, कितें पळय गोंय आमच्या फाटल्या पुर्वजांनी राखिल्लें तें काबार जातलें.
Okay.
इलेक्शन्स येतात.
Yeah.
40 बरे मनीस ह्या असेंब्लीन हाडया.
All right.
40 people who will mean good for Goa.
Yeah.
And I am, in my next talk show, I am starting something. 40 men who will never win, but are good for Goa.
Give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
There could be 40 good men who will never contest and never win.
कित्याक जिखतना नंदन?
म्हजे सारके मनीस मारचे नात म्हणून. मत मारपाक म्हजे सारके आमी मत मारता आसतना शेड्डे जातात. कळ्ळें? आनी म्हजे सारके मनीस मत मारचे नात म्हणूनच ते जिखचे नात.
Okay.
Am I right or wrong?
Okay, good. Give both these gentlemen a big round of applause. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nandan. Continue
you.
doing the
Thank
good
you.
work,
Thank
asking
you.
the questions that you're asking, and hopefully I should interview you one of these days.
Sure. Anytime.